What does it mean by auditing? Audits are performed to ascertain the validity and reliability of information. Auditing is the examination of firms' accounting records, by a person qualified to do so, to give an opinion as to their truth, fairness, and accuracy. A financial audit is the review of the financial statements of a company or any other legal entity resulting in the publication of an independent audit opinion on whether or not those financial statements are relevant, accurate, complete, and fairly presented. Distinction between auditing and accounting. Accounting is the recording, classifying, and summarizing of economic events for the purpose of providing financial information used in decision-making. Auditing is deciding whether recorded information properly reflects the economic events that occurred during the accounting period. Evolution of audit. Early days, owners expected auditors to protect themselves against the danger of errors and frauds committed by managers and employees. Auditors covered almost all recorded transactions. Audit reports were for owners and others were not interested in them. Now, whether financial statements give a full and fair picture. The usefulness of internal control was recognized as a guide to the audit testing. Audit based on samples. The development of testing methods, outside evidence. The development of new auditing procedure. The use of computers. Auditors are to provide value-added services. Need for audit. Many interested groups for audited financial accounts. Shareholders, lenders, trade creditors, tax authorities, employees, prospective investors, management, not have sufficient knowledge and power to check the correctness of information. Referring audited accounts in decision-making. Objectives of auditing. To produce a report by the auditor of his opinion of the truth and fairness of financial statements, to detect errors and frauds, to prevent errors and frauds, to provide value-added services. The relationship between auditing, attestation, and assurance services. Assurance. 1. Concept of assurance. Provision of an independent opinion by an expert practitioner on information prepared by one party for the benefit of other party. 2. Assurance services. Assurance services are independent professional services that improve the quality of information for decision-makers. Business risk assessments, information system reliability, customer satisfaction survey, assurance engagement. Assurance engagement means an engagement in which a practitioner expresses a conclusion designed to enhance the degree of the confidence of the intended users other than the responsible party about the outcomes of the evaluation or measurement of a subject matter against criteria. Categories of an assurance engagement. 1. Audits example. Financial audits. 2. Other assurance engagements example. Business performance measurement. Attestation engagement. 1. An engagement in which a practitioner is engaged to issue a report on a subject matter or an assertion about the subject matter that is responsibility of another party. Agreed upon procedures engagements, compliance assertion engagements, reports on internal control over financial reporting. 2. Auditor's attestation means to provide assurance on the management's assertion about the effectiveness of internal controls. Benefits of assurance. Enhance the credibility of information. Reduce the risk of management bias. Draws the attention of the users and deficiencies in the information being reported. Limitations in assurance. Testing and sampling used. Involvement of judgments and estimations. Reliance of the information provided by the responsibility party. Inherent limitations in the system. Audit evidence is more persuasive than conclusive. Expectation gap. Expectation gap is the difference between the apparent user's perception of the responsibilities of the practitioner on one hand and the legal and professional reality on the other hand. Components of the expectation gap. Don't forget to subscribe more audit and taxation lessons and related to the BBA other lessons. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends.